how to set the screen recordings video quality to high 1080 pixel or medium 720 pixel. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on advanced features. Now from here, tap on screenshots and screen recordings. Then scroll down. In here, select video quality. From the pop-up, select high 1080 pixel or select medium at 720 pixel or low at 480 pixel. So select one of the options. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.